Hello and welcome to another Partners CPRM video tutorial. This time we're going to talk about how to share a dashboard to promote your findings and share what you've learned and your data with your partners and stakeholders. So first, if you haven't already, make sure you watch our other tutorial on how to actually set up and create one of these dashboards. This is just going to focus on how to share them once that is completed. So first you'll want to open up your dashboards list here underneath the share item in the navigation menu, and you'll see a list of your available dashboards. If you haven't already, you'll want to make sure these are published, and you can do that by clicking edit, and the publish button will be at the top right. If you see unpublish, it means it is already available online. So the easiest way to share one of these dashboards is to open them up just like this, and right at the top here, you'll see a button that says copy link. And so I can take this link and I can open up a new page, paste it in, and this will open up that new dashboard to explore. What's really exciting about this, though, is it doesn't actually require you to be logged in. So you can share that link by email, you can post it on your website, and anyone who has access to the link will be able to explore this interactive dashboard as long as you keep it published. Now, one thing to notice here is, as I've set this up, while people can, sort of interact with and explore the various maps, in this case, we have 3 different maps that show 3 different types of centrality. So people can sort of, explore, how different members are different, play different roles in terms of centrality. But I'm not able to, actually click to see these members or their specific names or data here. So if that is something you want to do, right here at the top of the page in this dashboard setup, you'll see this option called Allow Profile Sharing. And so just like it describes here, if I check this, and that'll save automatically, it's going to allow us to actually explore that in detail. And so if I reopen up the dashboard with that edit made, now it's going to actually, as you can see, let us click to see the name of the organization, all their attributes, and scores here. And then also they can click this little icon and open up their member profile. So this is fantastic if you are sharing this with, a formal group, for example, where there are sort of set members who have should have access to this. It's great to give this data and this sort of access to them. But it's also easy to shut it off if you don't need to give that level of data. So that is entirely up to you. The other way to share this, as you can see at the top of the page, we've got this Save as PDF option. So if you do try to save this, you'll have the option of downloading it as a paper PDF copy here. And that can also be shared online, through email, for example, or Slack. But you can also print it out and actually share that as a paper handout. Sometimes they're helpful for bringing to meetings, where you're going to see people face to face, so they can actually make notes and, take it with them, or look at it right there in real time. The other easy way to share dashboards is actually using one of the email templates we provide. So if we switch over here to our email template library, I can create a template. I can click add and specifically choose as a starting template here the dashboard option. And so this is a specific template we've used in our own work in the past with Partner, and that we recommend as a starting point for you. You can just go in here and pretty quickly customize, choose the right word for your community and context, and then also take that link, which we mentioned, and copy and paste it right here into the email template. And so once you do that, you can actually add it or open it up again, within that network where that data came from, and just easily send it out to one or more members, to make that data accessible. And actually, I can just show you how that works as well. We would just reopen the specific network, in the captures area, head over here to emails, and then we can either use this, scheduling system, or we can actually go in and specifically select which of the members, if there were only some core members, for example, we wanted to see it, we can send it to them there. So you've got a lot of different options here in terms of how to share that dashboard with the community. So I hope you learned a lot, and that will go ahead and conclude this video tutorial. Thanks for joining.